everyone, today I wanted to just sit down and try some new products that I got from Kmart today. Turns out they have some good makeup products by the name OXX Cosmetics. So I just wanted to try that out. It's affordable in this economy. Who wants to spend like 40 bucks on a blush, you know? Not me. By the way, this is my new filming setup in the new house. We've been in this house for over a year now, and I do have like a separate office room, but my kids' rooms are like right there, so I can't really like talk and film in there when they are asleep, which is right now. It's the evening and I'm filming in my closet. This is more personal. This is where I have my makeup. I got rid of all of my professional makeup and the makeup kit that I used to do with like the bridal makeup and stuff, because I decided not to do freelancing anymore. So it's just my personal makeup that I have, and even from that I've gotten rid of so much. So yeah, and if you don't know me, hi, I'm Nadisha D. Alves, and welcome to ItsMrsShasha. Follow me if you haven't yet. I am on my leg's falling asleep. I am on other social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all that jazz. You can follow me there. I'll put all the links down below. Yeah, well, let's get into it. So these are the stuff that I got. They're from OXX Cosmetics. I thought it said OXX Beauty, but I don't know. But it's OXX Cosmetics. This is a blush, and it says it's a blush balm. So I'm very interested. It says to apply on your cheeks, blend using your fingers or a brush. So that's good. I do want to try that out. Oh, it's taped together. Let me just... Anyway, so... Wow, I love the packaging. It's very simple, lightweight, good for traveling, and you actually get a good amount. How many grams are in this? It's about... I can't find the amount of grams in there. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere here. I'm just really blind. Yeah, I don't know. But this color is in rose. Yeah, it doesn't say how much is in it, but when you open it up, look, the packaging obviously doesn't match the actual color, but you can see it there. So it's more like a brick red, but with peachy tones and very toned down. I feel like I see some sparkles in it. Let me just swatch it on. Oh, very creamy. Wow, that's actually very creamy. So let me just put it up on my hand. Oh my gosh, I don't know if the color might not suit me. See, okay, this is what it looks like on the pan, but when you swatch it, it's very it blends out really beautifully though. So turn the light down a little bit. It does blend out really pretty. I don't know if it's probably a bit too light for my skin tone. It does look a bit ashy, so I don't know how that's gonna do, but it's very creamy, and it did set into like this powdery sort of feel. So if I'm looking over here, that's where my viewfinder is. I need to get my laptop organized if I'm gonna use this setup. This is like a trial, so... But yeah, it did rub off pretty quickly. I don't know about the lasting power, but we'll test that out. And I got these lipsticks. Gorgeous colors. Look at this Barbie pink. The Barbie pink is called Lady, and it's a luster lipstick by OXX. And this is a matte one called Mauve, and this one is Sultry. Now that I think about it, they might even be too light for me. I don't know, but we'll see see how things go. Am I gonna do a full glam or just try them out? You know what? I might just try them out. Alright, so let's do, I don't have anything other than skincare on my face. I didn't put makeup on. So I am going to use a blush brush to apply it on one cheek and my finger to apply it on the other side. Now you can see I have texture and post-acne marks, discoloration, whatnot. So, oh, it picks up really well. Look at that. Okay, let's see. How cute is my mirror though? Like, it's so cute. Alright, here we go. Ooh, something on my nose. Okay, that's a lot. Look, in real life, it's very pigmented. I don't know if that's picking up on the camera. That might be is that better? Too dark? I don't know. Okay, but it's very, look, it is a bit ashy on my skin tone, but I think once you blend it out, it sort of becomes one with your skin, and I really love that. Oh, if you can hear background music, that's the baby monitor. My son wants the music, so look how pretty that is. It really diffused nicely with this brush. Yeah, I think it's nice. It's pretty. Let's go in with my finger. Now it's very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. So I would just dab, dab, dab. Oh yeah. You know what? I think fingers might be better, actually. Because I have a rounder face, I'm going to blend up onto my cheekbones. So, do you see that? Okay, this light is not good. Is that better? I don't know. This light is not representing the color properly. Is that it? Maybe this light might work. Okay, we'll leave it at that. So like that. I like that. Obviously the brush diffused it a lot more, and I did pick up too much product. I think I prefer the finger. As with any cream product, fingers are good because, you know, it melts the warmth of your hand. It sort of melts the product and all of that jazz. So let's try the lipsticks, but without lip liner, because we want to see truly how they work. So I'm gonna go with the color Sultry because I feel like that's gonna be the lightest. Actually, not far off from the packaging. Impressive. Although I think this might look awful on me. So here we go. Is that a matte color? Yeah, that's a matte color. It's very matte. You know, I'm gonna rub it on the back of my hand to warm it up a bit. Ah, I love it. It's such a beautiful rosy color. Love that color. It would look better with a darker lip liner for sure. But you know what I think? It's very dry. The formula is just, yes, it's a matte lipstick, but it's immediately, it's hard to put on. But these ones sell for like $1.50. So I'm just gonna use a bit of micellar water to get rid of this. it comes off quite easy. So with micellar water it comes off quite easy. Sometimes it's hard with matte lip colors, it kind of clings onto your lips, but if it's exfoliated properly, then it should be okay. All right, what's the next color? Let's try on the Barbie pink color. This one is called Lady, and it's not a matte color, it's a luster lipstick, so I'm assuming it's like a shiny type of a color. So that if you can see the difference, this is a shiny bullet and this is a matte bullet to represent color or what lipstick finish it is. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look, I wouldn't say that's a Barbie pink, because in my mind a Barbie pink would be like this color, but a little bit brighter, because it's hot pink in my mind when it comes to Barbie. I don't know, but this one might be a better version of a Barbie pink for brown girls. So let's try it on. Nothing on my lips, no liner, let's just go for it. Okay, buttery formula. Love the formula on this one. Color payoff is not that great, not as good as the matte color. I don't know if I like it. It's wearable, it's suitable for my skin tone. It's just the problem is that it's not giving what is advertised, you know? It's not giving what I expected it to give. It's okay, it's a beautiful color for sure. Yeah, it's definitely, I wanted it to be bright, like a hot pink, you know? It's not giving me that. I don't know. That was a bit anticlimactic, although it goes really well with this blush color, which I really like. So, okay. I do like it. I like the formula better than the matte formula because it's creamy, and I'm not as into matte lipsticks anymore. I've kind of tried to move past it. I'm sort of in my butter gloss type of era right now with my clean girl looks. But let's give it a go with the mauve color now. I hope it's as dark as this packaging, because I don't know, for some reason I like that type of very taupey sort of concrete color. It makes me look dead, but I kind of like that look. So I do have a few other colors like that which I love so much. One's from OXX Cosmetics. I don't even know what it's called. Cement, I think. Oh my gosh, I love that color. It's dead every time I wear it. My mom's like, what are you wearing? You look like you're dead. Maybe I am dead on the inside. Too dark. Alright. Here we go. Got rid of the glue dot. That came off easier than I thought. Okay, again. It's a matte one. Ooh, look at that. I like that. This would be a beautiful nude color. Okay, I'm just gonna warm it up on the back of my hand. Yes, it's giving concrete. I love it. It has that purple hue to it, if you can see. That's what I mean by like dark taupe. Here we go. Huh, odd. Okay, there is a difference. Even though they're both matte, this one's creamier. What's with this color then? I think it's the pigment in this this color that's making it very hard to apply, whereas this color is very creamy. I like it. This is exactly what I hoped this would be when I bought it. Oh, would you look at that? I love this color, although if you have darker skin tone than me, this would look very ashy, so I don't recommend it. But for lighter skin tones, even lighter than my skin tone, this would be really, really, really beautiful if you're into that sort of matte kind of color, you know. I'm gonna pair it with a lip liner and see how it does. Alright, let's go with Cork by MAC, one of my ultimate, one of my most favorite lip liners ever. What do you know? Cork is the best pair. Like, this is the best pair. Cork is the best color. If you notice, I overline my lips right here, but I bring it up because I don't want to look like a duck, you know. And I overline right on my cupid's bow. By overlining, I mean I'm just drawing it on top of my, like a millimeter above my actual line. So that's all I overline, like this section. The rest I'm going to bring back down. I like that. That's a beautiful combo. Gonna be my go-to colors. I'm gonna rock up to our family holiday party in this lip. That's gonna be fun, but yeah. Anyway, that's it from me for this video. If you have any other suggestions for affordable Australian makeup brands, well, I mean, they don't have to be Australian. They just had to be available in Australia, because I'm not about to pay like 40 bucks USD for shipping, because everything's so expensive. But overall, you know what, I actually do like these. These are decent, for especially for like a couple of bucks. This brand had more like different things that I wanted to try, like cream contours, and there was a really great selection of concealers as well, with a wide range of colors. I saw some really dark chocolatey brown skin tones as well in there, which is amazing. I love the inclusivity. Anyway, yeah, so if you haven't given a go, I think you should, especially right now when they're on sale. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.